Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Mark Nicholson coming to you from Larkins GMC in Tomah. Got a great looking truck to show you today. It's a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. Exterior color is Onyx black. Interior color is jet black. This has got the 5.3 liter V8 engine in it and a 10-speed automatic transmission. These new trucks come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty. Like I said, this is the SLT, so as I'm walking around it, a few things jumps out at it that says that it's the SLT. That classic SLT grille there. You got some hooks at the front there, LED lighting surrounding all the way around it. SLT tire and rim package. 5.3 liter V8 labeling. Some nice Sierra labeling there. Does have proximity keys, so when you come up to the vehicle, if you got the key fob in your pocket or your purse, you just simply push that small chrome button right there and you can either have that door unlock or you can have all the doors unlock. Some nice chrome assist steps on this one. Get back towards the tailgate area here. Some nice steps on the bumper. Vehicle does come with that multi-pro tailgate, so it does step down into a step. The tailgate does step down into a step. Spray in bed liner. Rear cameras and sensors there. Your trailer packaging. You got dual exhaust on this one. Coming around to this side here, there's that X31 labeling also. So there's a quick walk around the outside. Let's take a closer look at the inside. All right, before we go inside this one, let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that it does have. It's got the GMC Pro Safety Package, so you've got your automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, following distance indicator, IntelliBeam auto high beam system, trailering package, 8 years of OnStar basics, keyless open and start, remote start, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, 10-way power seats, driver seat and mirror memory, steering wheel wrapped and heated, LED cargo area lighting, GMC multi-pro tailgate, power folding and heated mirrors, LED fog lamps, rear window defroster, and rain sensing wipers. Those are the standard options. Now here's the options that have been added onto this. You got your SLT premium package, the ventilated front seats, wireless charging, Bose premium sound system, power rake and telescopic steering column, SLT preferred package, adaptive cruise control, rear sliding window, heated second row seats, Sierra Safety Plus package with your rear cross traffic braking, rear pedestrian alert, high definition surround vision, trailer camera provisions, trailer side blind zone alert, front and rear park assist, and safety alert seat. Pro grade trailering system is the in-vehicle trailering app, the hitch guidance with hitch view. You've got the spray in bed liner, the X31 off-road package and protection, off-road suspension, hill descent control, skid plates, 2-speed auto transfer case, integrated dual exhaust, and the all-weather floor liners. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the inside of this one. All right, here we are coming through the driver's door. Options on the door here, your memory sets for your seats and your mirrors. Rolling down the windows, rolling up the windows, locking the doors, moving the mirrors. A shot of that nice floor protection package. Power seats on the driver's side and passenger side. Jet black leather interior. Over on the left side here, we got your parking brake. Drivetrain options, auto, 2-wheel high, 4-wheel high, 4-wheel low. Different modes that you have. There's your trailering mode there, interior and exterior lighting, your telescopic steering wheel, in and out, up and down. Left side of the steering wheel, that's going to control your cruise control as well as your adaptive cruise control. So that adaptive cruise control is pushing and holding this button here, and you'll see it on the screen. So the adaptive cruise control, there's regular cruise control, and now I'm putting it into the adaptive cruise control. So the adaptive cruise control is if you're traveling down the interstate, let's say you're going 70 miles an hour, you come behind a vehicle that's going 65, your vehicle will slow down to the speed of the vehicle that's in front of you, staying a safe distance away depending on what you have it set as your gap adjustment. Your vehicle will slow down to the speed of that vehicle. When you move into the left lane, it'll automatically go back up to 70 miles per hour if there's nobody there in front of you. There's your heated steering wheel. Right side is your Bluetooth phone. Buttons on the right side here, these control your driver information center in front of you. The buttons here are actually left and right buttons. The up and down arrow is not actually buttons. This is a rolling button to go into different functions which is what I'm doing now on the driver information center. Coming over to the infotainment screen, this is your main screen that you're at. You got a trailering mode here, so you can add different trailer profiles into the system. When you hook a trailer up to it, it'll ask you which one you are, and you can let it know. It'll keep track of your mileage, etc. Different settings you can go into. Majority of this stuff takes care of itself, but where you can go into is default a few things is in the vehicle settings. So as an example, when I was walking around the outside talking about the proximity key, you want to change those buttons. This is where you do it. Your remote door unlocks, so that's your button on your remote door. Push it once and this is the driver's door. Same as the passive door unlock right here, your all doors. Just depends on which way you want to have it. Go back to the main screen there. Here's your camera system that you're going to have. You're going to have that 360 high definition camera system. So this is the 360 all the way around. This picture screen here is controlled by the buttons at the bottom. The orange line is telling you you're controlling that one. The orange button at the top means you're looking forward. You push that again, you're looking to the rear. Another view straight down at the back, straight down at the front. Another view sideways, backwards, and then several other views. Now the nice thing about that is when you do put the vehicle in reverse, it does automatically come up with the correct view. Nice thing about this vehicle, let's show you the mapping system quick. So here's the mapping system that you'll have. You'll have that for 8 years. You've got the OnStar Basic for 8 years, so you'll have the navigation and the crash response, My GMC app, numerous different things you'll have for that 8-year period. The system does use a Hey Google radio system. Go to 805 Superior Avenue, Tomah, Wisconsin.
To play the radio, say something like, play 88.5.
Hey Google, play 101.3.
Streaming frequency from the radio.
And I'm not sure if you can hear or not, but 101.3 is playing. Hey Google, go to 805 Superior Avenue, Tomah, Wisconsin.
Got it, 805 Superior Avenue.
So you can use that HG system for navigation, radio stations, turning your fan speed up and down, turning your heat up and down, numerous different things you can do with it. Pretty cool system. Shut the radio or the navigation system down for a second and go take a look at some other things. That is that Google Assistant. That's the same as the Hey G system. If you don't want to use the words Hey G, or your Hey G is also running your phone to do things, you can just shut that Hey G terminology off and just hit the Google Assistant and it'll do the same thing for you. All right, coming down here, this is your lane assist, your park assist, your auto stop start. So when you come up to a stop sign, if the vehicle's not asking for air or heat, your vehicle engine may shut off when you come to a complete stop. Once you take your foot off the brake and before you even get it over to the gas, it's restarted and you're on your way. That system always defaults to being on. Orange light is on. So when you pull up to a stop sign, it may shut off. If you don't necessarily want to use that system, each time you start the vehicle up, you can push that button right there and it'll be off. But you do have to do that each time. Manually dropping the tailgate. This is only for the tailgate, not for the extra step that's built into it. 4-way hazards, traction control, downhill assist. The last button there drops all 4 windows down at the same time. Your integrated brake. Ventilated seats, heated seats, driver side, passenger side, dual zone climate, driver side, passenger side. Putting the vehicle in park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Putting your foot on the brake, thumb on the button on the left, push it forward. You're now in reverse. There's that 360 camera system that automatically comes on. Putting the vehicle in park, push the P button. Putting the vehicle in drive, again pushing that left button, pulling it back, and you're now in drive. Nice beverage holders. 2 key fobs do come with it. Got a remote start on there. You also have a remote start using your My GMC app. Wireless charging station. Quite a bit of storage here in the armrest. You got another glove box up top by using that button, and you also have another glove box down below. Your OnStar buttons. Your rear window. That's going into the bed of the truck. OnStar buttons, 3 garage doors that can be programmed in. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at that second row. All right, here we are coming into the second row. So you do have seating for 5 in this vehicle, 2 up front, 3 in the back. You got some nice storage that's built in both the driver's side and passenger side. Armrest there, beverage holder. Buttons for your heated seats, a couple USB ports, HVAC vents. So there we have it. There is the 2026 GMC Sierra SLT, Onyx black in color, 5.3 liter V8 engine. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call here at Larkins. Phone number 608-372-2161. Again, Mark Nicholson, coming to you from Larkins GMC in Tomah, 608-372-2161.